Hello, everyone. In today's video series on how to make money from Facebook, check out how you can use posting to earn money from Facebook. This Make Money Online video is presented to you by JC. Hope you will benefit from this strategy.
Ooh, this is really exciting. This is an amazing method to making money online, and in fact, the psychology behind this one is so otherworldly, it's insane. I'm not going to go too deep in explaining all the nutty psychology, but it's really simple. Come with me. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Facebook job posts, which anyone can do, by the way, to make money. And there's 2 steps in between, which we'll be going over. There's 4 steps to doing this. Job post, pre-sale page, affiliate link, money, baby. And here's the kicker, is you can do this no matter what country in the world you're from, no matter what age you are, no matter if you're on a mobile phone or a computer, and you don't need to spend a dime, not a dollar, not a cent to do this and make money doing this. And it's really simple, and I'm gonna walk you through everything right here on my handy dandy computer. Well, which computer? I'm going to do it on one of these computers, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's get into it. This is a really exciting method. Hit that like button already, because you know this is going to be good. Let's get it. Okay, now this method is sneaky, but it works. And it took me a while to figure out this method. If I'm the sneaky sneaks, type in chat as the sneaky sneaks. But once again, what we're going to be going over, I just want to lay this out for you so you understand what we're doing. We're using Facebook job posts to get us traffic, okay? And we're using Facebook job posts really to get us traffic, and we're using affiliate marketing to make us money. We're bridging the gap here by using a pre-sale page. This is how we're getting this is how we're getting people to end up buying, right? We're using a pre-sale page, which I've pre-built for you. This thing is amazing. This is sick. And I'm using an affiliate link, okay, in that pre-sale page. And this is all free. And you may be thinking, John, come on, pre-sale pages, you have to have a website. You have to have money to do that. No, you don't. You might also be thinking, oh man, can I do this whatever country I'm in? Is this going to require technical skills or experience or know-how, or, you know, it's only open to US people? You can do this no matter what country you're in. We can use any one of 2 different affiliate networks, right? And also, you don't need any skills. You just need to follow the steps as I do them. And I'm going to show you right here on the computer. Just follow the steps. So now, although we have the job post, the pre-sale page, and the affiliate link, the order that we actually implement these in is actually the reverse, right? So we implement it like this. We implement it 3, 2, 1. That's how we actually implement this. And the first thing where we have to start is we actually have to get our affiliate link. Now, affiliate marketing is how I make most of my money. I make hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month with affiliate marketing. And the way I do so is you get links and you post them out on the internet, and when people buy from them, you earn a commission. It's commission-only sales. It's door knocking for the 21st century. It's telemarketing for the 21st century. It's plain Jane stuff. You know, you're selling regular products, and that's how this works. One network will pay you by either check or wire, and the other network will pay you via PayPal. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you'll either want to sign up for ClickBank if you're based in the US, and for ClickBank you would just click create an account right there, and ClickBank pays you via check, which means you have to have an address, or they pay you through a wire transfer, which means you have to have a bank account. The other network you can use if you're from more of a third world country, let's say Nigeria or Africa or Asia, but even if you're not, is Digistore. And I will show you, you have links down in the description where you can use those. So Digistore will pay you via PayPal, okay? So that's really cool. PayPal right there, and you go to digistore.com, and how we get our link. So here I'm logged into Digistore. Where I'm going to go is I'm actually going to go to the marketplace right here, okay? In the marketplace, you'll see the top performing product is my product, actually. So as you see with popularity, it's the highest product. We have a lot of information on that, but on average, you can expect to earn about $700 when you promote the super affiliate system. There's different payment plans for people here, but generally speaking, you get 50% of what people spend with my program. So there you have it. Now, all you have to do is you have to click Promote Now to get your link. So Promote Now after you've signed up. And here would be your link. So you could click, you just copy. I'm going to click copy right there. Do this on a mobile device. So I have my link copied, and I'm just going to paste it in here just so I have it. So there we have my link. But the next step we're going to do is we're going to want to post our link in a pre-sale page. Now follow along the steps exactly as I say them. You don't want to deviate from this, because then you won't understand the process. So we take the affiliate link and then we're going to paste it into our pre-sale page. Now, what is a pre-sale page? Now, a pre-sale page it's a way of bridging the gap from somebody who's looking for a job to getting them to want to click on our affiliate link and ultimately spend money with us. We have to put in some salesmanship. We have to put in some marketing. Because understand, it's not like people are just sitting on the internet saying, hey, who can I give my money to today? People aren't thinking like that. You have to actually do some sales. You have to do some marketing. You gotta do some selling, but we let our pre-sale page do that for us. And I created a pre-sale page for you that works with Facebook job posts. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to my resource file, which is johncristani.com/resource. So you wanna go to this page. And here will be a big document of all of my methods. I always keep this updated based on what's working best. Again, you want to take action on this immediately because Facebook doesn't want people to know that they can do this, okay? When Facebook understands that people can do this, they probably will tell YouTube to take this video down. So you want to do this as fast as possible. Do this whole method as fast as possible. Again, nobody's talking about this. Nobody's ever talked about this because I just found this out. So let's go over here. Facebook job posts. So see right there, you click that and you're going to go down to Facebook job posts. This method describes how you can get traffic to your affiliate links by creating job posts on Facebook. And what we're going to do is we're going to create our pre-sale page first. So we're going to click right here and we're going to open this pre-sale page up. Now what you'll see right here is this is your pre-sale page. It's a Google document, but it includes places where you can put links. So here we are, and work at home job opportunity, social media specialist, earn $250 plus per day posting links. And what we're going to do is we're going to go right up here where it says file. You can do this, and you're going to click here, make a copy right there. It's going to create a copy on your own version of Google Drive. So you'll have a page that looks exactly the same, but now it's yours. Now, understand, one of the reasons this works so well is because people are looking for a job, and we're giving them a work-at-home job opportunity. Now, do you think most people really want to drive to work? No way. I mean, there's not a single person who wants to drive to work. Everybody wants to work at home. So a work-at-home job opportunity, it's like mind-melting. It's beautiful. And it's real because people want to work at home. We have these areas where we can change our links out right now. Now, what we need to do is we need to take our link, which we have right here, and we need to, once again, copy. And we're going to take that link, and what we're going to do is we're going to click here now. Okay, now once you have your link, you're going to go to the page where there's two buttons. There's two links you're going to have to change out. So first, let's click on the button. And you can either click up here, which is the link button, or you can right-click and click the link button here. It doesn't matter which you do. And you're going to put in your link right here. So see, I'm clicking paste. Then I'm going to click apply. You can do the same thing to this link. I'm going to edit link. You could also highlight the link and click this link wherever the link button is. Just click edit the link. Then we're going to paste our own link in here. See, our links are in there. Now, the next step of this is what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go up here. I'm going to click share right there. I'm going to click get shareable link right here. And then I'm going to copy this link. Or you could click copy right here. I'm going to paste that into my document right here. I'm going to take this link and I'm going to then go to bit.ly.com right here and I am going to shorten the link. So you see that link, it's long and it's ugly and it's kind of like weird to click on, right? It's kind of like, why does this link look so long? Like that seems tricky. People don't want to click on really long links. People want to click on shorter links, right? Just makes sense. So that's why we're going to shorten the link. It's more trustworthy. And then we take that big long link and we click shorten right there. Shortened it there, and then we're going to click copy right here. If you're excited, if you see the potential of the money in this method already, if this is easy so far, type in easy in the comments below. I want to see those easies. If you're following along, type in easy. If you're totally lost and this is going over your head, type in over your head, because I don't know how I can make this any simpler, frankly, but just type in easy if it's making sense. Type in over my head if this is just like, what? I don't know how to do this, okay? But this should be pretty straightforward. Here comes the fun part. Now we have two things. We have an affiliate link and we have a pre-sell page, right? If you just send people to the affiliate link, it takes them to a sales page. You know, most people are not going to buy from this page. Whereas if you take people to a pre-sell page beforehand, which was our work at home job opportunity specialist right here, you're going to have a much better chance of actually making money because people who read this are much more interested. Now, the next step is we're actually going to go to Facebook. And on Facebook, we're going to go, I think it's somewhere on the left side. You can click see more right there. You can click on jobs. Now, if you can't find it that way, you can actually just search Facebook jobs. It's facebook.com, I believe /jobs. And you go to their job site. Now, what you do here is you're actually going to create a job. We're going to create a job right there, and there's a bunch of information to fill out. But don't worry, I've got your back. I already got the information that you need to fill out in the resource file. That should be in the links in the description of this video. So what you want to do is, I have the post details right here, and you're just going to type in work at home marketing specialist. And we have that right here. Job location. Now, you can enter an address somewhere in the U.S., so I'll just type in Santa Barbara. I would say for this, you want to preferably use a major city in a first world country, like Los Angeles or Nevada or Boise or wherever in the world, but some major first world city, in Germany or England or Australia or New Zealand, whatever works. Then we're going to do salary range. I like saying generally with affiliate marketing, because that's what we're teaching people in my training program, which you'll be selling, anywhere between $0 to $250 an hour. And again, you can reference all of this within the post, right? I have the information right here. Job type, contract. Then you just select contract. And job description, and you will enter in earn an income working at home. I would say computer and stable internet connection required. You will be working with a major YouTube influencer who has been featured in Forbes, Fox News, CBS, NBC, Dubai Television. Please watch the training first, and this gives you a space to change your link out. Now for this, what you'll want to do is you'll want to actually change this out to be your link. So let me demonstrate. So we had got this bit.ly link, and what we want to do is we want to take this back, and we want to delete this and post our link in its place. That's what those brackets mean. You can add extra salesmanship to this if you want. Again, feel free to expand, test new ad copy. Just by copying and pasting what I do, you can make money. You can get some mediocre results. You might make $700. But if you really want to take this to the moon and build a full-time income, test new things. Post up 50 jobs and test different ad copy with each. I'll say, do you have a laptop or desktop computer? I'd say, do you have a stable internet connection? Can you work for 5 hours per week. And you can upload a photo. I'm just going to leave the photo as whatever blank. But the main thing is we want people to watch the training. That's the goal. We want to get people to our affiliate link. We're going to post the job, and that's all we do. Post job. Boom! Now that is all there is to that, okay? It's not a very complicated method, but keep in mind that Facebook is a little bit of a cat and mouse game. They really are greedy and they only want people really buying ads to get people to go to their links. They want people to pay them money. And that's not right. There's freedom of speech. You should be able to post links. So keep that in mind that sometimes they might not like certain links. If they start not liking your bit.ly link after a bunch of people post it, use the Google Docs link. Use a different link. Just use the plain Google Docs link can work too. And the way that this will work is when people see your job and they click on your link, and if they end up buying the program, you end up making money. And Digistore or ClickBank. Digistore will pay you your commissions weekly through PayPal. ClickBank will pay you your commissions weekly through a check sent to your address or a wire sent to your bank account. That's it. So if this method was just mind-blowing, this is Sneaky Sneaks. This is getting some of that traffic from Facebook without spending $1 on ads. So if you know this is the #1 money channel on YouTube, type in #1 money channel on YouTube right now. Write in the comments. Really excited to be showing you guys these methods, and slam that like button and hit the subscribe if you're looking for more ways to make free money online. Can't get easier than this. It really can't. I'm dishing out. I have really good stuff coming up for you. I'm going to be dishing out huge, hot methods every single week. So stay subscribed. Love you. Take action. If you're committed, type in take action in the comments below. Want to see you guys posting this while this video is still up and while this method is still working. Talk to you soon.